Hi everybody, let's continue to learn modern JavaScript. In this session, let's take a look at advanced working with functions, recursion, stack, and linked list. For recursion, it's implemented by stacks, and linked list is kind of for each element, it has the data inside, also have a pointer to the next item. So let's take a look the recursion. Before we take a look at the recursion, we take a look at the iterative thinking. We do this power function with the for loop. So starting value of this result is 1. So we are going to multiply the input, the first parameter x, n times by using this for loop. So at the end, we just return the final result. So we also can do that work with recursive thinking here. So we have this power method. Then if n equal 1, we go to just return the x. And otherwise, we are going to multiply this x to this power function, and we input x and n minus 1. So with this function, we also can achieve the same result. So usually recursion method is shorter because it's really reusing this logic to return the result. So the way of doing the recursion is for each step here, we are going to put the result onto a stack. And at the end, when we reach to this point, we are going to get the result out from the stack. Then we go back until we go back to the last stack. So the number of the nested calls, we call it recurring depth. In JavaScript engine, the limitation of that number is about 10,000. So for this case, if the second parameter is more than n, the JavaScript engine cannot ensure the result will be delivered. So yeah, that's the stack and the recursion. So for this case, let's see, we have this data, we have this company, we have sales department, we have inside of the sales department, we have we have employees, and we might under this sales department we might have the other department as well, like development, we have science department, and so on. So for this case, it's convenient to just use recursion methodology. So we have this some salaries method. So we just pass this parameter, which is the object. We check whether it's array or not. If it's an array, then we can just call the result like this. Means we are going to get the salary out from the element of the array, and this 0 is the starting value of this reduce function, which means we are going to add on all the salaries. So, and for this part, if they are not array, means it's a department, we are going to find out the details of that department. So we are going to get the values of that object, and for each object we are going to call this function and pass this parameter inside. So inside we will go through this logic again, so until we reach to this point. So at the end we can output the final result. So let's take a look at the linked list. So linked list, we can define linked list like this. We also can define linked list simply like this. So to separate a linked list, for example, here at this point we want to create a second list. We just give this value to this second list and set this one equal null. And to join them together, and we can use that point and to link the second list. It's pretty convenient and fast. And for linked list, the advantage of it is to do insert and remove actions. So for this case, we have the list. We add the next value and also add the other next value. So for this one, we add a new item in front of the original list. We can do something like that. We also can do something like this to remove one item. It's pretty convenient doing the insert and remove actions for linked list. Yeah, that's all for this session. See you next time. Thanks for watching.